Can I pack Gillette razor cartridges in my carry-on luggage?
Hello viewers. In today's discussion, we'll be talking about something crucial for all frequent travelers, the packing of toiletries, particularly Gillette razor cartridges in your carry-on luggage. Navigating airport security can sometimes feel like a puzzle, especially when it comes to understanding the rules about what you can carry on board. So, let's solve that puzzle.
What are the general rules for liquids and sharp objects?
Generally, the Transportation Security Administration (TSA) guidelines prohibit travelers from carrying sharp objects and liquids over 100 milliliters in their carry-on bags. These rules are designed to ensure the safety of all passengers. But, you may wonder, where do razor cartridges fit into these rules? Are they considered sharp objects? And if so, are they allowed?
Can I pack Gillette razor cartridges in my carry-on?
Here's the good news. Yes, you can. According to TSA guidelines, disposable razors and their cartridges are permitted in carry-on luggage. Gillette razor cartridges fall under this category. Despite their sharp edges, these are designed in a manner that makes it nearly impossible to detach the blades, hence posing minimal threat. So, you can carry your Gillette razor cartridges in your carry-on without any worry. However, keep in mind that safety razors, the ones where the blade can be removed, are not allowed in your carry-on. Those need to be packed in your checked luggage.
Are there any precautions I need to take?
While you can bring your Gillette razor cartridges in your carry-on, it's always a good idea to pack them safely. Consider using a hard plastic case for the cartridges. This will not only protect the blades from damage but will also prevent accidental cuts when you or security staff are handling your bag. In conclusion, packing for a trip doesn't have to be stressful. Understanding the rules can make your journey smoother and worry-free. So, go ahead and pack those Gillette razor cartridges in your carry-on, and make sure to pack them safely. We hope this information helps make your next airport experience a breeze. Safe travels!